What's up, YouTube world? Back at it like a crack addict. So we got the center console installed today, and yeah, I ordered the little IPF Racing 3D printed parts to fill in the gap. Got the USB gonna be working and all that. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me show you the center console and how to cut it up. Oh yeah, because you gotta cut this off right here too. Gotta cut all this off back here. Don't cut into this. But yeah, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, and for the police center console, it goes right in here. Crap. Alright, so for the center console, this is what I did. Separated it completely. And then the back part, I cut that off because that has the tabs. Well, not this one, but it has the tabs that hold it down to the center console. I'll show you. So this is the back half of it, or back whatever part of it, cut off. Left those on there so it connects to the center console. Little bolt right there. So when I put it all together, I'll show you. See how I got mine bolted down? I cut that off right there and left it attached so the center console can be secure. It ain't going nowhere. So yeah, you gotta put both of them. Put both of them in. You're more than secure. Okay. Here's the little trim pieces. I actually ordered these off Amazon. Center console. I fully gutted the console, and I got rid of the wire harness, but I cut this off the wire harness so I can attach it to the so yes, the Apple iPod will work, but you have to get this little male-to-male adapter. It has to be like this. Because yeah, they both have this same end, so they can't connect to each other, so they make this. And then yeah, the whole center console will work. And I'm even debating about rewiring I'll do that later. Rewiring this though. And maybe you can wire this up to be the sports mode of the truck. Yeah. Yep. Alright, let's check out the IPF pieces. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. Screw that open. Oh man, that's funny. It's nice. Oh, it's nice. The money maker. This is the money maker. Ah, okay, so this goes like that. It fills in the cuts. Goes in like that, it fills in the cuts. Okay. Okay. Hold on 1 second, one part. And the cubby for the shifter. That's gonna be fresh. Good little storage. Okay, so let me clean this off. All right, yeah, let me get everything ready to put it in. Be right back. Okay, I don't know what happened, but yeah, boom, center console in, cubby for IPF, shifter. still, camera down. Ooh. Right back flush. Too bad this tab is broken on this one. Damn, it brought it flush once you put these trims in. Oh wow, done. We're done. We completed the puzzle. Oh my god. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I am happy. I'm glad I did my little trimming here. This. Woo. Okay. Okay. I must say, this is nice. I'm glad I got the black because this crap be blinding the shit out of my eyes in traffic. See what I'm saying? Use it on the camera. But yeah, looking good, looking great. Can't complain. Can't complain. I don't feel like I have a cop car anymore at all. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. SS Sedan Continental. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Don't forget to hit the notification bells and all that good shit. Thank you, YouTube world. Until the next video. I'm out. All right, really quickly. That actually works, like I said. Plug that in. Boom. Reading USB. Let's go. No, stop. No copyright. No copyright. No copy. Go back. Come on. All right, there we go. Boom. Play it. There you go. But yeah, all that works. Me and the homie made this beat. But yeah, Mr. DIY. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification bells, all that good stuff. I'm out. Peace.